Artificial intelligence, AI, might be new to most people. However, for many architects, construction engineers, and developers, it is something that they have been embedding in their work for years. While this might be a surprise to you, software engineers have been developing some very sophisticated programs for a while that enable engineers and architects to easily create models and conduct related tests without having to conduct actual physical experiments or write complex codes. Other programs are also used to manage and facilitate the building process and provide predictions related to delays, cost overruns, safety, and even feasibility. However, for the most part, such programs required plenty of human input, which sort of made the programs only partially intelligent. However, this is changing as new advancements are paving the way for AI to eliminate the need for engineers, architects, and construction workers. Hence our question, is AI taking over the construction industry? How will it affect the global $13 trillion construction market, which employs about 120 million people? And how is it currently used in making construction more efficient? Since ChatGPT, among other new AI programs, hit the markets, fascination and intrigue followed. And in many cases, layoffs too by tech giants such as Microsoft and Google, among many others. Then there was the bombshell by the godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, who regretted spending decades perfecting AI, citing that it is an evil thing and is likely to cause humanity more problems than solutions. Then Sam Altman, founder of OpenAI, warned the US Congress that rogue AI could cause significant harm to the world, as he testified to lawmakers about the technology's potential risks. And of course, tech giants were so scared of the pace at which their own AI was advancing, they freaked out and implemented a self-imposed 6 months ban on further development. And as if all that is not scary enough, just last week, Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, unveiled a plan to scan the iris of every person in the world to help distinguish real people from sophisticated machines. And once again, humanity is on a strange path into uncharted, dangerous territory due to mere greed and competition between tech giants. If you are not concerned yet, there are a few billionaires such as Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Mark Zuckerberg who saw, or rather planned for much of this, and actually called on politicians a couple of years ago to create a universal basic income system. The World Economic Forum has estimated that artificial intelligence will replace some 85 million jobs by 2025 while creating only 12 million new jobs. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs, among other financial giants, estimates that AI could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs in as little as 10 years. The bottom line, it is all about business and profits. If billionaires and tech giants have their way, they will get much richer along with top investors, while about 2 billion people will enter extreme poverty. We know this sounds crazy. However, the equation is simple. The world economy grows, expands, and improves as more people work more productively and then go to spend their income on all sorts of stuff. Meanwhile, robots powered by AI might be more efficient and productive, but they do not consume and do not spend money. And let's face it, no one nor governments is going to give a few 100 million families a decent, steady source of monthly income for sitting at home and doing nothing. Let's now tackle an important question. Is AI invading the construction industry? The answer is yes and no, because AI-powered autonomous construction robots and machines are still primitive, however. And as we said earlier, AI has already invaded the offices of developers, engineers, architects, and even site managers. Firstly, the reason why the construction industry hasn't explored AI-powered autonomous equipment and robots yet has to do with the fact that unions in the industry are quite powerful. Additionally, most managers and owners of construction companies are aware that their number one customers are their own employees, and contractors hence sending them home with a welfare check is a bad idea. And there is also the fact that tech giants, among other AI firms, are currently focused on the autonomous cars thing, since since that market is massive and more lucrative. So they have not really invested much in smart construction equipment and robots. This leads us to the matter of AI in construction companies' offices. The story here takes a whole different turn. Right now, if you walk into most construction engineers and architects' offices, you will probably struggle in finding a pen and paper. Everything is digitalized and AI is heavily used. ChatGPT and advanced AI-powered digital assistants like Siri and Alexa are utilized even in the smallest tasks. While this has improved efficiency and increased productivity, it is also leading to job losses and less hiring of administrators, assistants, and engineers, among others. According to some experts, right now, AI and machine learning technologies are revolutionizing every stage of construction, from design to operations and asset management. Such technologies do enhance operations safety, speed, accuracy, and efficiency. They also allow companies to proactively monitor job sites for potential hazards and address critical issues to prevent accidents. We have to pause a bit here. The previous sentence is nothing but an insult to engineers and architects who have already achieved all these improvements with non-AI powered technologies that they actually aided in creating. Hence, saying that AI saved the day is nothing but a lie. In fact, AI was sort of handed everything on a silver plate, and it merely utilizes humans' hard work and infinite collapse inventions. Nevertheless, most architects and construction engineers do accept that AI in the construction industry is partially contributing to the revolutionization of the way businesses design, execute, and manage projects. So, technically speaking, AI is invading the construction industry, especially the office, and here is how it is being used. AI-based building information modeling, BIM, is increasingly being utilized by architecture, engineering, and construction professionals to make 3D models to efficiently plan, design, build, and repair buildings and infrastructures. Meanwhile, generative machine learning is used to identify and collaborate with architects, engineers, mechanics, electricians, and plumbers to ensure there are no clashes within the subteams, which mitigates the risk of rework. These technologies are also designed to explore all the options and variations of the solutions to create design alternatives. Models with multiple variations are created and enhanced with each iteration. Such a process can lead to the creation of a final optimal model. There is also the increased use of AI-powered surveillance and monitoring systems, including smart cameras, drones, and robots that capture 3D images at construction sites. Such images are then cross-checked with reference to the information from BIM and the bill of materials. This enables engineers to keep track of site progress and identify errors at early stages while keeping everything on schedule. The Internet of Things, IoT, is also used in tracking construction equipment and vehicle fleets in real time, along with the status of main mechanical components to ensure timely maintenance. Vast amounts of data are constantly collected and analyzed by AI to mitigate risks, prioritize tasks and personnel allocation, increase safety, cut costs, and simplify large projects by organizing contractors. Productivity and progress levels are assessed at night via Boston Dynamics spot dogs, which are mostly utilized in remote and isolated construction sites. Complex AI algorithms are also used to analyze old and new data collected via sensors and perform calculations that enable construction firms to anticipate potential future issues. The bottom line, AI is becoming a fixture in the construction industry, and it is bound to save companies and investors hundreds of billions of dollars a year as more roles are assigned to AI-powered programs, machines, robots, and equipment, thus eliminating the need for workers, including engineers and architects. Do you think AI is evil and bound to destroy the world economy as hundreds of millions are left without jobs? Is it all that important to have AI in the construction industry, among others? Let us know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.